In this video, we're going to be talking about how to deposit checks with the Synovus banking application from your mobile bank. So let's just get straight into the video. If you haven't downloaded and installed the Synovus Mobile Banking application, make sure you go ahead and do that and log in into your account. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this dashboard right over here, as you can see, where all you want to do is simply click on the deposits option on the bottom of your screen, as you can see. And when you do that, there's going to be a option called deposit checks. All you need to do is simply enter the amount of the check amount and then also click the front and the back of the check. Also make sure to endorse the check on the back by signing it, and on right below make sure that you write for mobile deposits at Synovus, and that is it. Simply confirm and your money will be deposited. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.